Jacinda, nice to meet you.
Good to see you, but it's I think it's.
The proposal as it stands means New Zealand's farmers are set to be the first in the world to reduce agricultural emissions, positioning our biggest export market for the competitive advantage that brings in a world increasingly discerning about the provenance of their food. Importantly, all money raised from charges on emissions will be recycled back into the system to fund further research, tools and technology, as well as farmer incentives in order to help reduce emissions. I want to make clear that with dry stock, deer, sheep and beef farmers are more greatly affected by this proposal, that the government remains open to providing support, including transitional support. Let's talk about how we can make this system work.